NLN Next Science Questions. Question 1. Which answer identifies the bond formed when electrons are shared in this biology review item? Option A, metallic bond. Option B, covalent bond. Option C, ionic bond. Option D, hydrogen bond. The correct answer is option. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons. Metallic bond occurs among metal atoms, ionic bond forms when electrons are transferred, and hydrogen bond is a weak attraction. Question 2. During a quick next review of a chemistry basics item, which answer identifies the bond formed by transfer of electrons? Option A, peptide bond. Option B, hydrogen bond. Option C, covalent bond. Option D, ionic bond. The correct answer is option. Ionic bonds form when one atom gives up electrons and another gains them. Peptide bond links amino acids, hydrogen bond is a weaker attraction, and covalent bond shares electrons. Question 3. After checking the choices in a critical thinking item, which answer identifies the substance dissolved in a solution? Option A, catalyst. Option B, solute. Option C, precipitate. Option D, solvent. The correct answer is option. The solute is the material being dissolved. Catalyst speeds a reaction, precipitate is a solid that forms in solution, and solvent does the dissolving. Question 4. If a comprehension drill stem gives one clear clue, which answer identifies the substance that dissolves another substance? Option A, solute. Option B, solvent. Option C, enzyme. Option D, indicator. The correct answer is option. The solvent is the dissolving medium, such as water in salt water. Solute is the dissolved material, enzyme catalyzes reactions, and indicator signals a change such as pH. Question 5. When time is limited on a reading skill question, which answer identifies the force that pulls objects toward Earth? Option A, magnetism. Option B, gravity. Option C, friction. Option D, buoyancy. The correct answer is option. Gravity attracts masses toward each other and pulls objects downward on Earth. Magnetism acts between magnetic materials, friction resists motion between surfaces, and buoyancy is upward force in fluid. Question 6. Given the information in a vocabulary skill item, which answer identifies the energy of motion? Option A, thermal equilibrium. Option B, chemical energy. Option C, potential energy. Option D, kinetic energy. The correct answer is option. Kinetic energy is energy possessed by moving objects. Thermal equilibrium is a balanced heat state, chemical energy is stored in bonds, and potential energy is stored energy. Question 7. Suppose a similar grammar skill item appears on test day, which answer identifies the stored energy due to position? Option A, sound energy. Option B, electrical current. Option C, potential energy. Option D, kinetic energy. The correct answer is option. Potential energy is stored because of position or arrangement. Sound energy travels as waves, electrical current is moving charge, and kinetic energy is energy of motion. Question 8. While working through a timed algebra skill set, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, evaporation. Option B, conduction. Option C, convection. Option D, radiation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Evaporation is liquid changing to gas, convection moves heat through fluid circulation, and radiation transfers energy by waves. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a data interpretation item, which answer identifies the variable a researcher deliberately changes? Option A, dependent variable. Option B, a control group. Option C, constant. Option D, independent variable. The correct answer is option. The independent variable is the factor intentionally changed. Dependent variable is measured as the outcome, control group is used for comparison, and constant is kept the same. Question 10. A student sees this reasoning drill idea on a next review, which answer identifies the variable measured as the result? Option A, constant. Option B, hypothesis. Option C, independent variable. Option D, dependent variable. The correct answer is option. The dependent variable is the outcome measured after a change. Constant is kept the same, hypothesis is a testable prediction, and independent variable is changed by the researcher. Question 11. One-time practice problem tests this skill. Which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A, a conclusion. Option B, a control group. Option C, experimental group. Option D, a sample. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Conclusion is the final interpretation, experimental group receives the treatment, and sample is the participants or items studied. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a score report item. Which answer identifies the testable prediction in an experiment? Option A, a data table. Option B, theory. Option C, hypothesis. Option D, constant. The correct answer is option. A hypothesis is a prediction that can be tested with evidence. Data table organizes results, theory is a broad explanation supported by evidence, and constant is a factor kept the same. Question 13. For this study plan nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the repeating a study to see if results hold? Option A, bias. Option B, a classification. Option C, replication. Option D, estimation. The correct answer is option. Replication checks whether results are reliable across repeated trials. Bias is a systematic error, classification is grouping items, and estimation is an approximate calculation. Question 14. In a short review checklist practice STEM, which answer identifies the process that keeps internal conditions stable? Option A, metabolism. Option B, respiration. Option C, homeostasis. Option D, mutation. The correct answer is option. Homeostasis maintains stable internal conditions despite external changes. Metabolism is the sum of chemical reactions, respiration is gas exchange or cellular energy release, and mutation is a DNA change. Question 15. Among the choices in a common mistake item, which answer identifies the feedback loop that reduces a change and restores balance? Option A, positive feedback. Option B, negative feedback. Option C, a transpiration. Option D, diffusion. The correct answer is option. Negative feedback reverses a change to bring the body back toward a set point. Positive feedback amplifies a change, transpiration is water loss from plants, and diffusion moves particles down a gradient. Question 16. Using the facts in a calculator-free question, which answer identifies the blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Option A, a vein. Option B, lymph duct. Option C, artery. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under higher pressure. Vein returns blood toward the heart, lymph duct moves lymph, not pump blood away from heart, and capillary exchanges materials with tissues. Question 17. Based on the clue in a patient chart item, which answer identifies the blood vessel that returns blood to the heart? Option A, a vein. Option B, alveolus. Option C, capillary. Option D, artery. The correct answer is option. Veins return blood to the heart and often contain valves. Alveolus is an air sac, capillary is a tiny exchange vessel, and artery carries blood away from the heart. Question 18. Consider this high-yield lab result concept, which answer identifies the tiny vessel where nutrient and gas exchange occurs? Option A, capillary. Option B, a vein. Option C, a trachea. Option D, artery. The correct answer is option. Capillaries have thin walls that allow exchange with tissues. Vein returns blood to the heart, trachea carries air, and artery moves blood away from the heart. Question 19. Near the end of a health literacy review session, which answer identifies the structure that connects muscle to bone? Option A, ligament. Option B, cartilage. Option C, neuron. Option D, tendon. The correct answer is option. Tendons attach muscles to bones so movement can occur. Ligament connects bone to bone, cartilage cushions joints, and neuron transmits nerve signals. Question 20. Across similar safety protocol nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the structure that connects bone to bone? Option A, enzyme. Option B, alveolus. Option C, ligament. Option D, tendon. The correct answer is option. Ligaments stabilize joints by connecting bones to other bones. Enzyme catalyzes reactions, alveolus exchanges gases, and tendon connects muscle to bone. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the concept map clue, which answer identifies the part of the brain involved in balance and coordination? Option A, medulla. Option B is cerebrum. Option C, hypothalamus. Option D is cerebellum. The correct answer is option. The cerebellum coordinates balance and smooth movement. Medulla controls vital automatic functions, cerebrum handles higher thought and voluntary movement, and hypothalamus helps regulate temperature and hormones. Question 22. From the information in a hydration log item, which answer identifies the part of the brain controlling breathing and heart rate? Option A, medulla. Option B, retina. Option C, a hippocampus. Option D is cerebellum. The correct answer is option. The medulla controls vital and voluntary functions such as breathing and heart rate. Retina detects light in the eye, hippocampus supports memory, and cerebellum coordinates balance. Question 23. At a testing desk during a vital signs review, which answer identifies the organ that produces bile? Option A, liver. Option B, pancreas. Option C, gallbladder. Option D, kidney. The correct answer is option. The liver produces bile, which helps digest fats. Pancreas secretes enzymes and hormones, gallbladder stores bile, and kidney filters blood. Question 24. Inside a cell energy science or skills item, which answer identifies the organ that stores bile? Option A, liver. Option B, gallbladder. Option C, a stomach. Option D, colon. The correct answer is option. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile made by the liver. Liver produces bile, stomach begins protein digestion, and colon absorbs water. Question 25. Through careful reading of a patient teaching STEM, which answer identifies the largest artery leaving the heart? Option A, pulmonary vein. Option B, aorta. Option C, carotid vein. Option D, a vena cava. The correct answer is option. The aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body. Pulmonary vein returns oxygenated blood from lungs, carotid vein is not the main artery leaving the heart, and vena cava returns blood to the heart.